What's going on, everyone? This is the TP-Link 300 megabytes per second Wi-Fi range extender. I had to get this bad boy because the back part of my house had super weak Wi-Fi, and the fact that 43,000 people gave it 4 stars out of 5, I said this can't be too shabby. So the first thing we see out of this box is quick installation guide. This bad boy comes in handy later, trust me. This little paper, I have no idea what it is. Ah, yes. Now this is a TP-Link. It's so tiny, it's so tiny. Hold on, wait. Let's clean up first. Nah, better. Alright, so looking at it, first thing you see the antenna. On this side, you see the WPS button, the power light, and the signal light. And then the router and the reset button. Now this is where you can find the SSID number, but we'll wait for that later. That's pretty much it, guys. Let's get to the quick setup. Oh, and guys, FYI, this is not a Wi-Fi booster. This is a Wi-Fi extender. It will extend Wi-Fi on the weak areas of your house, as you see on the picture. Now, let's do this. Step 1. Plug in the extender next to the router. Then press the WPS button on the router. Step 2. Wait about 2 minutes, then press the WPS button on the range extender. Blinking means the WPS connection is in progress. Solid red, the extender is receiving a weak signal, so try to relocate it. Solid blue, the extender is connected to your router's wireless network. Sweet! Step 3. Celebrate and enjoy your super awesome Wi-Fi throughout the house. Awesome! So now I know that for some people, the quick installation didn't work for them. So what I did is, I'm gonna walk you guys through the long version of how to install it. Here we go. Step 1. Plug in the extender next to the router. Then press the WPS button on your router. Step 2. Connect the default network SSID to your extender located on the back of the device. Step 3. Log on to the admin console by opening a web browser and going to tplinkrepeater.net. Next, sign into the range extender. Now by default, the credentials are admin, then click start. Step 4. Once logged in, run the quick setup unless it starts on its own. Next, enter the super secret and well thought out password 12345678. If you have a dual band router, you'll need to repeat this for the 5 GHz band. So re-enter the super secret and well thought out password again 12345678. So next, you view the settings and click confirm. Choose the network name's SSID for the range extender. This message explains relocating the range extender. Do not do this until the last step. Scroll down and click done to proceed to the final steps. Awesome! Step 5. Connect to the extended network. Step 6. Click on the I have it connected to the extended network, then click finish. Boom, you're done. Alright, here's some key factors to know when relocating your range extender. It should be close to your router to get a strong signal. It should be between your router and the area that needs service. If the signal light is red, you'll need to move it closer to your router. And that's about it, guys. What can I say? Thank you. If you haven't already, man, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for any future videos. Definitely appreciate your support. And what else can I say? Man, that's sweet.